Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today our group will discuss about case study 1 in subject cloud computing and Amazon Web Service. So our group member is Muhammad Alif Najmi and me, Muhammad Adam Haikal, and also my friend Muhammad Syafiq Akmal. So Amazon Web Service in 2018 to deliver the storage, analytic and scaling capabilities critical to its business, which had exploded with the release at Fortnite, an online game that seen over 15.3 million concurrent players during live event. Fortnite ran almost entirely on AWS, including its worldwide game, server feed, backend service, and website. Epic Store petabyte of data in NWS Data Lake, then use AWS Analytics service to access player sentiment and inform the development of unique experience. So first, what is cloud computing? With cloud computing type example, cloud computing is the provision or use of different services over the internet. These resources include the use of tools and applications such as data storage, survey, database, network, and software. Cloud computing have a three type service model that inside cloud computing is first software as a service SaaS, infrastructure as a service IaaS, and lastly platform as a service PaaS. Second, five benefit of cloud computing. The first benefit is automatic software update, and second is the cost saving, and third disaster recovery, and also performance, and lastly security. Next, third is the design concept of Amazon service infrastructure to support cloud computing. IaaS work according to the principle of visualization. An IaaS platform allows you to choose the type, structure, and configuration of infrastructure one need. After that, the system will automatically create a digital version of underlying infrastructure. This virtual computing resource mimic or copy the behavior of physical resource. For the application use, everything works the same as on the physical device. And I will pass to my friend Muhammad Syafiq Akmal.
Thank you, Muhammad Adam Michael. And my name is Muhammad Shafiq Akmal, and I will explain about why Epic Game decide to use AWS as its preferred public cloud infrastructure, and what are the service in AWS that Epic Game use. Tutup mic dulu. Epic Games when all the sorry, I will explain. Epic Games went all in Amazon Web Service (AWS) in 2018 to deliver the storage, analytics, and scaling capabilities critical to its business, which had exploded with the release of Fortnite, an online game that seen over 50.3 million concurrent players during live events. Epic Petabyte data store in AWS Data Lake then used AWS Analytics Service to evaluate player sentiment and inform the development of unique experience. Using tens of thousands of elastic clouds, Amazon EC2, example powered by AWS Graviton processor. The Epic Scale calculate capacity at optimal price performance to support millions of global players daily, speed up rendering workload, and provide remote construction pipelines for both and the creator of the engine Unreal license. In AWS, Epic has reduced physical obstacle and takes time to create sophisticated entertainment, executive visualization, and a deep virtual world. And the next is a cloud service are still susceptible to risk. Construct a theory on how AWS mitigate the risk. First risk is a loose security group policy. How AWS mitigate this risk is to reduce the issue to close all the ports at the beginning of the setup, the account that be used. One method of doing this is to ensure that only the relevant IP address is allowed to connect to the server that has been created. This can be done when setting up your security group. For your instance, to allow traffic only to specific IP address and have been created instead of open. The next risk is a IAM access key. Rotate or change your access key at least once every 90 days to grant user the necessary permission. Then they can rotate their own access key additionally, and it ensure the old keys are not used to access critical service. And the last point that I will be explain is how does virtualization work in a cloud computing environment. Virtualization is a technology that can be used to create virtual representation of server, storage, network, and other physical machines. Virtual software emulates or copies the functionality of physical hardware to run multiple virtual machines simultaneously on one physical machine at a time. The use of this technology in the field of business that use virtualization to use their hardware resources efficiently and get a greater return on their investment. It also power cloud computing services that help organization manage infrastructure and more efficiently. That's all for me, and I will pass to my friend Muhammad Alif Nashmi.
Of virtualization in cloud computing. First, reduce downtime and extend resiliency and disaster recovery situation. And second, increase efficiency and productivity. Third, move to be more green friendly, organizational and environmental, and net server and OS flexibility. And the last, improve workflow. And next, credentials are used to verify user identity and permission to access certain resource. Explain root user credential and IAM user credential in Amazon Web Services. First, root user credential. The root user credential are created when an AWS account is created, and they provide full access to all AWS services and resources with the account. The root user credential include an email address and password that are used to sign in to the AWS password. It is important to note that the root user credential should be used only for initial setup and administrative tasks. It is recommended to create and use IAM user for everyday AWS tasks, as it provides better security and control. And second, IAM user credential. IAM allow you to create and manage users and their access to AWS resource. IAM user are created with their own set of credential, access key and secret key, and you can define permission for each user. IAM user credentials are used to access AWS resources programmatically using the AWS SDK or command line interface or CLI. Or through AWS Management Console by logging in with IAM user credential instead of root user credential. And next, IAM allow you to set permission and policies for each IAM users that restrict access to only the resources that are needed for their job role, which help to ensure the security of your AWS account. IAM users are recommended to be used for everyday AWS tasks over the root user credential because it provides granular control over access and permission. And it also provides better security and traceability. Thanks, and that's all for me. For question 9, I will show you the video.
First, open the browser and search AWS Amazon. Second, click Create an AWS account. Third, sign up for AWS account by fill the root user email address and AWS account name. Next, after finish fill the content, click Verify email address. Next, key in the verification code from email and click Verify. Enter the root user password and confirm it. Next, you must complete the contact information. First, tick the personal for you own project and fill your full name below. Next, you must fulfill the from. After finish, you must tick the agreement checkbox and click Continue. After that, you must fulfill the billing information form. After complete fill this form, click Verify and Continue. Next, you must complete this form. After complete, click Send SMS. Get the verification code from your mobile phone and click Continue. Last, click Basic Support and Continue. Congratulations, you have done sign up with AWS. Now, you can sign in AWS as the user. First, click I am. Next, click on User at Access Management. And click Add User. Key in the user details, for example fill username as admin Olive. Choose the I want to create an I am user and custom password and fill the form. After finish, click Next. Next, click Add User to Group and create group. After that, tick on Administrator Access and fill the user group name. Next, click Create Group. After click you can see pop up above show your group have been created. Tick on ITadmin and click Next. Next, scroll down and click Create a new tag. Fill the form key as name and value as admin and click Create User. Last, copy the link and open in Incognito browser. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye.